Useful steps for building your email list quickly and efficiently. Have you ever wondered how to set up an email list quickly and efficiently? Do you often wonder what is the purpose of an email list for your company? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of efficient tips for building the email list? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about useful steps for building your email list quickly and efficiently. Now let's get into it. A robust email list is one of the best marketing assets for a small business. While effective administration and utilization of your email file will greatly increase revenue, creating the email list itself might be difficult. With inbox clutter on the rise and customers becoming increasingly sensitive to any unsolicited communication, marketers should build their subscriber lists with care and relevancy. Creating an email list is the first step in establishing a strong business relationship with your ideal consumers. For any business, email is the most convenient and profitable mode of contact, as it will allow for continual communication and help in developing a great relationship with your clients and sustainable growth. However, developing a contact list is a difficult undertaking. You can't expect to produce thousands of subscribers by creating just one lead capture form. Building an efficient email list necessitates patience and, most importantly, a strategy. Fortunately, there are a handful of tactics available on the internet, but they might be confusing to you since you hardly understand anything. Therefore, we will be elucidating a step-by-step process on how to build an as well as the benefits of an email address list. What is the purpose of having an email list for your company? If you want to optimize your company's profit, there's one thing you should know. Email marketing provides a much higher return on investment, ROI, than any other option. According to a study, 99% of consumers check their emails every day. Some users check their inboxes up to 20 times per day, juggling personal email addresses, work accounts, desktops, and mobile devices. More than 80% of retailers claim email marketing is the primary driver of their customer acquisition and retention initiatives. In terms of marketing, sending emails is a very cost-effective method. The provided ROI is the highest among all tactics, averaging $42 for every dollar spent. Prospects on an email addresses list, regardless of the size of the company, can be critical in defining the effectiveness of your marketing activities. Simple performance measures like email open rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate all provide useful information to marketers about what they're doing properly and what needs to be tweaked. Hence, creating a mailing list should be the first step toward connecting with potential consumers and growing your business. Build your email list quickly and efficiently with these 8 list building tips. When you set out to create your mailing lists, think of it as a chance to meet new people. You would not only want to make a good first impression but also establish mutual interests and lay the groundwork for a great long-term relationship. Needless to say, it is not something that can be accomplished overnight. List creation is a time-consuming and labor-intensive procedure. However, with the appropriate method, you should be able to build a list of contacts quickly and keep it growing. 1. Create multiple email sign-up locations. Offering clients various calls to action, CTAs, to sign up for your promotions is one of the finest ways to build a list of email addresses from scratch. It is wise to position an opportunity in a prominent location, but you should also cover your bases and place multiple CTAs in various paths a buyer may take to reach your website. These also serve as a reminder to website visitors who overlooked the first CTA. 2. Provide incentives on subscriptions. Giving an incentive is one of the more complex methods for growing an email address list. Give your loyal readers certain perks, such as free ebooks, various relevant study papers, or frequent assistance via email. People look to you for insightful and first-hand research information. In exchange for the email addresses, you can offer this useful knowledge in the form of an ebook or any other valuable materials. 3. Blogs. Blogs have shown to be the most successful route for professionals to create verified email lists while also delivering value to users. That being said, in order to use your blog to generate leads, you must have a robust blog promotion strategy in place. A strategy that is effective for users at various stages of a sales funnel. You also want to integrate your blog with various lead generation enhancements, such as lead magnet, offer a discount coupon, quality content, call to action, etc. 4. Write guest posts. The majority of bloggers and marketers create guest posts in order to build links. However, if done correctly, it can be one of the most efficient ways to establish a targeted email list related to your business profile. You establish thought leadership in your niche by writing high-quality guest posts. If people are interested in your ideas, feelings, and experiences that you share online, you can then direct those visitors to your website to join up for your email list for products, newsletters, and a variety of other services you provide. 5. Multiple landing pages. Customers are more likely to join your mailing list if they aren't distracted by other options. As a result, landing pages are an effective method for collecting email addresses. A landing page is a web page with a single aim or calls to action, CTA. You can design your landing pages in a way that would entice website visitors to sign up for your email list. Use numerous landing pages if someone is directed to your website from an external source, such as a media mention or your bio on another website. They can also be used for commercial campaigns or social media click-throughs. 6. Promotion on social media. Social media promotion is regarded as a highly successful means of obtaining a verified contact list. Provide value to your audience through your social media content, and they will follow or subscribe. Helping your audience by solving their problems or teaching them modern solutions to their problems will aid in the development of a strong email list. 7. Set an email frequency. Another crucial aspect of lists of email creation is properly planning your communication schedule based on your audience's preferences. 78% of consumers chose to unsubscribe due to excessive emails sent by brands. Therefore, make it simple for individuals to take advantage of your offerings, otherwise, you may not be as successful as you would like. 8. Produce mobile responsive emails. In today's environment, opening emails from mobile devices is a frequent approach to reading them. You should size any email you send such that it is easily readable on a mobile phone or tablet. 80.3% of users trash emails that are not suited for mobile devices. If the emails are not mobile-friendly, 3 out of 10 consumers will unsubscribe from the list. Therefore, ensure that the next time you are sending emails to your subscribers, it is compatible with all devices. What are the benefits of building an email list? Let's take a look at some of the reasons why leading businesses are so obsessed with building their email list. 1. Primary source of business communication. Email is the most straightforward and professional method of communicating. It is extremely fast, inexpensive, and widely utilized. For these reasons, email is the major mode of communication for 70% of commercial firms. Building a valid email address list will primarily serve the function of initiating commercial engagement with potential consumers. 2. Converts leads. Consider your list of emails to be a powerful marketing tool. This is your opportunity to turn prospects into paying clients. So, in order to satisfy those who are interested in your company, answer queries and provide personalized solutions. 3. Generates revenue. With the help of an email database, you can build relationships with the proper people. You can increase your income as visitors become loyal followers. Furthermore, personalized email lists can generate repeat business, which is especially important if you run an internet store. Furthermore, they assist you in gaining the attention your brand deserves. More people are aware of your products and services, as well as of any discounts you are providing. These are critical factors in driving sales and increasing revenue. 4. Easy to segment and target your audience. It is critical for any organization to segment and target the correct audience. Emails are extremely effective since they allow you to reach out to big groups with a single click. Creating a database of emails allows you to categorize them based on your needs or statistics. For example, based on your analytics, you discovered that just 10% of your subscribers open every email, 30% read occasionally, and the remaining 60% do not even view your email. So, as a marketer, you'd like to categorize them based on their level of participation for better outcomes. As a result, having an email list can let you categorize your list effortlessly. 5. Personalization. Building your email address database will allow you to send personalization messages to your subscribers, which is a huge factor from a business perspective. It allows for a close relationship with your subscribers by building trust. Moreover, with personalization, you could easily engage customers for a longer period of time. So, do not wait any more time and start building your email today. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about useful steps for building your email list quickly and efficiently. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.